In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download lessons in Duolingo. The short answer is that Duolingo doesn't offer a traditional download button for lessons like you might see for videos or files. Instead, the app can temporarily store parts of a lesson you've already opened while you're online, so you can keep practicing even if you go offline afterward. Here's how to make that work smoothly. Start by opening the Duolingo app while you have a reliable internet connection. This first step is important because the app needs to load your next activities, audio, and prompts. Once the app is open, you'll land on the home screen. This is where you'll see your current course path, sometimes called the section or unit you're working on. Look for the big Continue button to pick up exactly where you left off. Tap. Continue to enter the next lesson. If you prefer to work on a different item along the path, tap that specific tile and then tap Start. Beginning the lesson while you're connected lets Duolingo load the exercises you're about to see. Think of it as the app preparing your next steps in advance. As the lesson opens, go ahead and start working through it. Completing the on-screen tasks helps ensure more of that content is ready to go. Avoid force closing the app during this time. Keeping it open maintains what's stored in memory. If you need to head out or expect to lose connection, it's fine. Just keep the lesson open. Now you can go offline while using the lesson that's already open. You can switch to airplane mode or move out of Wi-Fi range, and you'll be able to continue with the parts that were preloaded. If the app reaches an activity that wasn't loaded ahead of time, it may pause and wait for a connection, but anything already prepared will remain available. A few helpful notes to set expectations. There's no manual download option for entire courses or large batches of lessons. Offline access is limited to what the app has just loaded, and availability can vary by device and app version. To get the best results, open Duolingo while connected, tap Continue or select a unit and tap Start, and make a bit of progress so the app has material ready. Try not to clear the app from your recent apps list and keep your device charged so it doesn't close unexpectedly. When you reconnect to the internet, your progress will sync automatically. That's it. Open Duolingo online, enter your lesson from home, start it, and then you can continue offline with the content that's been loaded.